This was probably the scariest moment of my life.
Squad, so I know you guys have seen the title as well as the thumbnail for today's video, and it is not clickbait at all. Now, I've actually been hesitant on actually sharing this story because it was a very real as well as scary situation that I went through, but I was recently involved in a car accident that totaled my car, my baby, my Dodge Avenger, which, fun fact, y'all, was actually my very first car that I've had for over 13 years, and that car still ran like a champ. Now, I'm going to give you guys the whole full story of what happened with that car here in a second, because I know you guys have seen the pictures and you probably like, what the heck happened with that car? But first, I need to hop on Best Buy's website, who is the sponsor of today's video and official members of the squad. Y'all already know Best Buy is family on this channel over here. It's where I get all of my tech products from because they always got deals going on, and I have a special smart home project that I'm trying to work with them out on here that's gonna be coming to the channel here pretty soon, so definitely be on the lookout for that because they've always saved me money. So, you know, I'm gonna keep shopping there. But I'm about to hop online here real quick, and I need to purchase this Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, which you guys will be able to order and save $20 for the link that I have for you guys down in the description section below, because I feel like this is a product that I wish I had before I had this car accident, and I feel like this is a product that you guys need to have in your own car, especially after you guys hear this crazy story that I gotta tell y'all about my accident.
All right, so here I am in the Best Buy app where I literally spend a whole lot of my time. I mean, what can I say, y'all? I'm a tech head out here. But anyway, I went ahead and I ordered the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. And since they're also on sale, I went ahead and I added a PS5 controller to my cart because that new God of War Ragnarok just came out. And my other controller literally just died on me the other day. And I got to play this game like ASAP. So I checked out and I made sure I selected that curbside pickup. I went ahead, hopped in my car, picked it up, and I promise you guys that curbside pickup is clutch, especially now since it's cold outside where I live.
All right, y'all, so I finally got the Garmin Dash Cam that I've been wanting here for a little while now, ever since I had my car accident, which I'm gonna tell y'all that story because I'm telling you it's a crazy story, so definitely make sure you guys stick around for that. But I want to go ahead and get this bad boy installed here so that way I can show you guys just how easy it is.
So setting up the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 was actually pretty simple for the most part. Now, it comes with everything you guys are going to need. It comes with the camera in itself. It comes with two mounts. You get two USB-A to micro USB cables to be able to plug it in. Now, I do want to point out that one cable is a lot longer than the other cable. You can use the longer cable to be able to run it along the trim of your car, kind of giving you this more seamless look, or you can run the shorter cable that's going to go right from the camera right into the charging port. You also get a USB-A car adapter that's going to plug right into the 12-volt lighter port in your car for power. Now, for me, I actually decided to place mine somewhat right here behind the rearview mirror and just run that cable along the trim of my car. I use the longer cable, of course, just so it can give me kind of that seamless look that I want, so that way it's not directly in my line of sight and just kind of out of sight, out of mind.
Now, let me tell you guys this crazy, wacky story as to how I actually totaled my car and why I bought this dash cam in the first place, and why I feel like you guys should get one too.
Let me set the scene. So it was about 9:30 a.m. on a Tuesday. Outside here, we were getting a ton of rain on this cloudy, random day. Now, it looked like a monsoon outside with the amount of water that was coming down on this day. Now, the speed limit on the highway crossing into Missouri from Illinois is somewhere around 50 or 55 miles per hour. Now, because of this insane amount of rain that we were getting, I was only doing about 40 to 45 miles per hour, along with many of the other cars and other drivers on the highway at this time. Now, the next part is where things kind of got a little scary, and I wish that I had this Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Now, just as I was passing the baseball stadium where the St. Louis Cardinals play, there is about a 300-foot drop-off from the highway straight down to the ground that is pretty high up. Now, again, everyone is driving around 40 to 45 miles per hour because of the terrible weather conditions. Then all of a sudden, I look out the left side mirror and I see this truck's headlight just approaching crazy fast on my left, and I'm in the center lane of this 3-lane highway. Now, this person had to be going at least, and I promise you, at least 80 plus miles per hour, which is insane in these crazy weather conditions. So as he passed me on my left-hand side, he hits this crazy wet patch and splashes a huge amount of water up off the ground, and it covers my entire car. It was like someone literally just threw a huge bucket of water onto my car extremely hard. Now, this is where things kind of got scary for me, to the point where I thought I was going to lose my life. Because of this person's erratic driving and large amounts of water that kicked up, it got into my tires as he also swerved and passed me, causing my car to go ahead and spin out of control. Now, at this point, I lose all control of my car, and now I'm completely turned sideways on this busy, crazy highway, sliding as other cars are trying to avoid hitting me as they pass. Then my car crosses from the center lane over to the far right lane. Now, remember that 300-foot drop off from the highway down to the ground that I just told you guys about? As my car goes from the center lane to this far right lane, it is about to slam into this concrete barrier. And at this point, I'm saying to myself, I hope this concrete barrier holds up, because if it doesn't and my car breaks through, I would literally fall 300 feet down to the ground. I hit the wall so hard, it bounces me back to the center lane as other cars at this time is still continuously trying to dodge hitting my car, causing the airbags to deploy. Now, I gotta be honest and transparent with you guys. This is by far the most scariest driving experience that I've ever been in. And I'm just thankful that I was able to make it out alive with minor injuries, as my car was completely total. Now, the next thing that happened is the police show up, emergency services show up from other people calling. But as they were asking me questions, I couldn't remember anything because it happened so fast at the time that a lot of the stuff that happened, I just can remember on the spot because I was still in a state of shock. But if I had this Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, I could have easily shown footage because it has like a feature on it that allows me to use my voice to where I can automatically save that footage and just capture everything, which I could have easily just shown to the emergency services and just kind of explain to them everything that happened, which could have actually helped find the person who caused this situation to happen in the first place.
So now that you guys pretty much got the full backstory as to why I actually wanted this camera in the first place with this new car right here, now let me go ahead and show you guys some of the cool features that this camera can do. Now, the first thing I want to show you guys right off the back is obviously the camera quality, because, you know, why would you want a camera if the camera quality ain't good? Now, you're getting 1080p HD with this dash cam here, which I feel like is pretty much all you guys need. And since I've been personally using this one here for daytime driving as well as nighttime driving and just recording everything, I feel like the footage in itself is actually pretty good, especially when you guys consider how tiny and just compact this camera really is. Like, it really is the size of like my car keys, which is kind of crazy. Now, another feature that I like about this camera is the fact that it has voice control. Now, y'all already know your boy here is a huge fan of voice control AI. I have Google Home Minis all throughout my homes, which is another item that you guys can buy at Best Buy as well, because look, they always got deals on those. And it's soon to be also in my new smart home videos that's gonna be dropping here soon on the channel. But it's gonna be a little bit more on that later, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel and have those notifications turned on, so that way you don't miss that content when it drops. Now, when I found out that I can save my video footage, I can start and stop my audio recordings and snap photos all with just using my voice, look, y'all, I promise your boy was sold in that moment. So for example, a couple commands you can say things like, okay, Garmin, save video, and it'll save the video. Or you can have it take a photo for you. You can say, okay, Garmin, take a photo. Using your voice to be able to capture the video, the audio, as well as the photos, I'm telling y'all, there's a clutch feature in situations like that. Now, the next feature I want to show you guys is actually within the Garmin Drive app. It's a feature called Vault. Now, this is an online video storage solution that it gives you guys, and it's going to allow you guys to be able to save your video footages here, and then it's going to be able to upload it to the point where you can share it out to others just by sending them a link as well as a passcode. Now, it will store those video footages in here, and then it's going to wait until you guys are on your Wi-Fi connection, and then you can upload it to the Vault and be able to access it and share it out, which is a really dope feature. Now, another feature that they have, which I like, is a feature called Parking Guard. So let's say you guys are eating at a restaurant, or you in a mall shopping area or something like that, and you guys want to be able to monitor the activity around your parked car, especially during these holiday season times, because there's a whole lot of theft and just a whole lot of crazy activity going on during these times. So definitely make sure you guys are careful out there, man, when you're out there hunting, trying to find those PS5s out there. I know, I see you out there.
Another feature I want to tell you all about is called incident detection. Now, this is a cool feature that will automatically detect if your car has been in, let's say, for example, an accident or any abnormal impact or movement, using the gyro sensors that are built into this camera. Now, once it detects this, it will automatically save that footage and protect it from being filmed over. This way, you guys are going to have it whenever you need it.
All right, so I had to come back inside because it's crazy cold outside, but I wanted to show you guys my favorite feature within the Garmin Drive app, and that is called Live View. Now, obviously, you get the ability to be able to see your videos as well as your photos that you have stored within your gallery. You can take a picture, you can save a video, but I like Live View, y'all. So this right here is a feature that's going to give you guys the ability to be able to see exactly what the camera is seeing in real time. Now, I'm going to show you guys this example here in a second, but I also wanted to show you some of the features of different things that you can do in here once it actually loads up. Now, once it loads up here, there's a couple different things I want to show you that it can do. Now, the first thing is obviously you can see the live video feed. You can see me jumping in front of it, acting kind of crazy. Now, the other things you can do is you can also save the video footage. Now, I can go ahead and just press on the save video button here. The camera's going to make a noise in itself, and now it's going to go ahead and save it to the videos and photos gallery. Now, if I go back here into the live view, I can also rotate my phone, and then it's going to give me the option to be able to see the camera in full screen mode automatically. And then I also have my time and date stamp here at the bottom, which is clutch. So for me, guys, live view is so clutch because let's say I have that scratch on the back of my car and the person that I'm looking for, now I can be able to save that video footage and see them in real time to see who ran that buggy into my car. But yeah, I feel like with these features, plus how small as well as compact it is the main reason that I wanted to actually get this camera in the first place, because I felt like it was going to give me that little bit of peace of mind that I need while driving, as well as protecting my property that I have here behind me. Also, I just wanted to be transparent with you guys and just share my past experiences, so that way if you guys are ever in a situation like I was in, and you're just going to be a little bit more prepared than I was, that way you'll have the footage of the incident to be able to share with emergency services, your insurance companies, or whoever you need to be able to see that footage. Now, if you guys want to pick one up for yourself, which I personally recommend, I'll have a direct link for you guys down in the description section below for you guys to be able to check out and get one for your car. So go ahead and click that link down below and get in on this deal while it's lasting. Again, thanks to Best Buy for sponsoring today's video, guys. Y'all already know they are family over here. So go ahead and drop a hashtag Best Buy Squad in the comments if you made it this far in the video, as well as if you shop at Best Buy too, like I do. Now, make sure you guys hit that like button, and like always, make your move and always remember your why. Drive safe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad. Whew, it's cold out here, y'all. I'm about to get in the car. You cold?